Hello friends, and welcome to another paper embroidery project. The Flutter and Flora pattern has been divided into two tutorials. This pattern portion, the Flora corner bookmark, is a free download exclusively for my newsletter subscribers. If you're not yet a subscriber, don't worry, you can sign up and instantly download it to join the fun. Links to sign up, along with the awl I'm using to punch the holes and other tools and supplies, will be listed in the video description, so don't forget to check that out. Before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your likes and subs go a long way and are very much appreciated. So the download includes detailed instructions on thread count, stitches, a list of colors, and printable templates, but don't let that limit your creativity. Feel inspired to experiment with color and even try different embroidery stitches. Really make this project your own. The way I'm stitching this particular project, I'm only using 3 stitching techniques: straight stitch, back stitch, and French knots. The sequin beads are totally optional. I will leave the links to those as well, but you could also just do French knots. I had a lot of fun with the sequins. I really wanted to add some bling to this project, and they did just that. This portion where I cover the back of the embroidery is also optional. I wanted to prevent the pages from snagging the thread when placed in a book, so I'm using a piece of thin tracing paper. You could also use some wrapping tissue paper to cover the back. Just try to use a thin material to avoid adding more bulk to the project. You don't need a lot of glue, and the tracing paper can be oversized and trimmed afterwards. As I mentioned, this is only a portion of a larger design. The full pattern, Flutter and Flora, comes with multiple projects including more bookmark templates and card designs. So if you enjoyed this project, I'm sure you're going to love all the other designs. Thank you for being part of this project. I hope you had a great time following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to support me, please subscribe to my channel. Your support really means a lot to me. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Keep on stitching. Bye.